Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Savya Financial Center. Thank you for taking the time to join us as we showcase what makes Savya Financial Center more than just an office address, but a forward-thinking, future-ready workplace designed for today's dynamic businesses.
When we talk about future-ready buildings, we're really talking about creating spaces where technology is not just function. It actively enables you to operate more efficiently as a business. I'm happy to share that Savya Financial Center has achieved WiredScore Gold. This gold certification isn't just a plaque on the wall, it's your guarantee. It tells tenants that they've invested in infrastructure so your business won't suffer preventable downtime. In today's market, this assurance is more valuable than marble lobbies and panoramic views. At the end of the day, choosing a WiredScore Gold building like Savya Financial Center isn't just about real estate. It's about removing from your operations. It's the confidence that when your trading floor needs low latency, your designer needs cloud access, and your hybrid team needs flawless video calls, this building won't let you down. And that's what WiredScore certification delivers and what Savya Financial Center perfectly exemplifies.